Life gets hard when you get down. I'm just trying to figure my shit out. Cover my hurt with a fake smile. In so deep, think I might drown. I was lying in the field for the sunflowers, trying to see things on the bright side. Then the sun came down from a high power, and it said you gotta take it easy. I know life can be hard. I need something to believe in. I gotta rest this heart.
What up, guys? Today we are in beach. Can't really say where because, you know, COVID-19. If our parents are watching this, we're fucked. But as you can see, we're here just cruising without any boats. You can see some of the boys are there. I've got John here behind the scene. Right here.
Nice.
So yeah, we're gonna explore this beach.
And I'm down on my knees, praying up to the stars. I'm not trying to be Jesus, just trying to play my part. I woke up in the day,
Trying to get some food right now. Apparently it's the best fish and chips, isn't it, son?
Yeah, mate. I've been here way so many times that I know every single worker in here. That guy is Johnny. That woman is Jessica. Rini. Leonard. Jason. Yeah. It's a good fish and chips in here, guys.
all burned out from yesterday. Think I'm gonna change my ways.
What's up, guys? We were at the beach, but we've noticed we've just forgot to. Well, I forgot some hooks, but they're currently picking some up from the local. Yeah, look, well, it's my boy John inside having a look at the minute. They're just over there. It's coming back. We got some.
Oh shit! I did. Got some fishing hooks, floaters. We got some weights. We've got everything. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Some water, bro. Some water.
Go.
So we're just looking at the hooks right now. Back in the days when I was 6 years old, I was fishing a bit of tilapia. I was using the same kind of hook. I was bending a little bit, so I used to catch 7 fishes in one hook. I just go blim,
7
7 in one go.
My goodness.
7 in one go. It was this big, yeah. If anyone catches a fish bigger than this, then they're gonna try it. They're gonna taste it. You know what I mean?
Madness. What's that, bro?
We got a bit of floaters for the Sundays. You know.
Oh,
Basically, we put ice cream on this. Big fishes like to eat ice cream, bro.
madness.
Yeah, so we got all the hooks ready. Yeah, later on we're gonna get the hookers as well.
The hookers?
I mean the
Madness.
fish hookers. You see these weights? If you don't need the floater anymore, you put the weight so it goes under in the fucking thingy, yeah? And when you catch the fish, it goes, go pull it down. You know what I mean? Yeah. I used to do it. I was gonna go pro, but I took an arrow in the neck.
Alright.
We're getting it ready.
We'll see you guys in the.
Oh yeah, we got
the
some.
beach.
We got some bullets as well. Oh shit, we got some bullets as well
What are the bullets for?
for my dick.
Madness.
in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. See, when I was a kid, I'd be staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need to de-stress, can get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come home feeling refreshed. Life is a gift and I saw it as a blessing. Whenever I went wrong, we move on and learn a lesson. I never felt the need to take a hit to blow the resin, but now the feeling's gone as if God was just messing. And things have changed now that I'm 17. I start to realize that people are evergreen. Start to question how and why we disagree and why we're so mean. I wonder why so few people have had a dream, and I'm wishing that it would just all slow down. I'm just trying to forget all that I know now. That's why I breathe in slow and let the smoke blow out. So pass it to the left until that green in the merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in that merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. La la, la 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 la. Yo. I throw it back a couple years just for a minute. Spin it like a record player back until the finish. Listen to me tell it, let me reminisce. See, it was 4th grade when I first exceeded limits. Ooh, I got suspended. Shouts to Chancellor Bennett. Teachers acting offended, really they just pretending. My parents on my ass saying to pick who I'm friends with. Sit with it repentant, man, I never understood. How could all this punishment possibly lead to good? Fuck a timeout, I'ma live it how I should. I dipped out while I hit my head under my hood, hoping nobody could see me. Peace in the Hollywood, and it's been like a dream. I just haven't woke up. It's time to go up, hopefully before I blow up. You know what? I'll just keep on giving no fucks, cause if the living isn't great, then you should probably smoke up. Smoke up, smoke up. In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone in that merry-go-round. Even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. La la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
You know what, man?
La 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 la. La 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 la.
I'm doing fish here, man. You wanna take a picture?
Yo, take a picture of it. Let me take a video of you.
That one is stuck.
Yeah.
Fishy.
You gotta put it back on. Yeah, my guy.
Why is it stuck at?
Stuck in the tree.
Okay, now.
Yeah, he's got one. Pull it in.
He's got one.
Yo. Yo, Ram, go to the other side. Yo,
There you go, get the fucking net, bro.
Yo, just let go of that for me.
Yo, take a video, Joe. Let go of this. Yo, this is dead. Oh, shit.
Yo, Ram, get it, man. Yo, just let go
Look
of
at
this
it,
for a
man. It's
minute.
hanging.
Yo, put it in the water, man.
Alright, there you go. Hey, look, there you go. Boom, boom. Yo, this is heavy, you know.
Like fucking thinking like this, bro.
Yo. Johnny, mate.
Yeah, just put it in the water on. Just put it in the water, like all the way
Just put
down.
it in the
All the way
water.
down. There you go.
Still breathing.
Wait, is it still stuck?
Yo, I feel like it's
Yeah,
gonna break the
help
thing,
him.
man.
Hold this. Raf. Rough, you know.
Yo, bruh, get this thing off, bruh.
Just leave him in the water run, man.
Yeah, but it keeps pulling.
Yeah,
it
one with the
doesn't matter.
video as well.
I feel like the rod's gonna break, man. Is this not gonna break?
No, it's not.
You sure?
Yeah.
What the fuck did you manage?
No, I'm just gonna swam this thing around in there. Look at that, look at that.
Ron, don't do that one. Do my video. Ah, bro, let me take a picture.
Just pull it out. Just pull it out.
Alright. Look, are you sure? Yeah, give me that.
I got it.
You know what? Don't let go of the rod, bro.
I know, man, but the fucking fish is moving, isn't it?
There you go.
There you go. Take a picture, yeah?
Yo, lucky lang eh.
Ano na, hawak ko na. Raan na fucking pussy. Just throw it in.
No, put it in slowly.
That was scary.
You.
Did you just throw it?
Caught a nice one, I caught a nice one.
Oh shit, side. That's a little one.
Her body's gold like September. She
What, who
burns
said
through
my
the night
this
like
thing
an
is gay?
ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we said all fine.
Who said my fishing rod is gay, bro?
Sunny day dreams and we hope now. Vodka
fish for
lemonade,
the
I
fishing
serve
rod,
it up, it goes down.
Obviously, mate.
75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine, cause she need it. A dose of rain,
Got him right by the mouth.
the waves crash down and we feel them.
Oh no, it's the bumhole, John. John, he got him in the bumhole, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Bumhole like inside. Yeah, he got him in the bumhole, man. Bro, they
Get along, we don't mind, we don't mind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives.
Get it.
Day in paradise. I'll be gone till November. Going through the letters that I send her. And thinking about the moment that I met her. Well, I'll be back in due time, in due time. Touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to. And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, so kind.